Hey everyone, it's Annie here at Dees with another beautiful Valentine's Day swag kit. And this one has the adorable glitter love stem on it. This stem comes in all folded up, and all I've done is just fluff it out, and we're gonna add a little red leaf stem to it as well as a bow. But look how cute that's going to be if you have a boxwood wreath or even a grapevine wreath. You want to add just a touch of Valentine's Day too. So we're going to start out making this one just like we make all the other swag kits, except when you go to cut the stem of the love glitter stem, don't cut too low, because all of these come together right here. You want to leave a nice space so that they don't all fall apart. With that being said though, if you did want to put them in letter by letter, maybe you have another wreath and you kind of want to stair step them down, you could cut them apart and then just glue them in one by one. But I'm going to leave them all together right now. I just spread them out a little bit. Then I'm going to take this red stem here. I'm going to fluff this one out too, just like we always do. Everything's wired, so it works really well. Chop the stem on that one as well. And then set your two stems aside. You're going to make your bow and attach it right here at the bottom. So for the ribbons, I chose 3 different ones. We've got a pink and white dot, we've got the red Swiss dot, and then I chose this one that's got the red and the white with a little bit of burlap and pink, just for a cute Valentine's Day ribbon. First, you're going to start out with your piece of pink and white dot. I just did a ½ yard, and that's going to be the background of the other 2 ribbons, so we're good on that one. So next, take your red Swiss dot. We're going to make 2 loops like we always do, right on top of that pink dot. Scissors. All right, now you're ready to add your stripe. I'm just going to make this tail went off that way. I'm going to do this one off this way. Make a couple loops of that one. Now you're going to want to take your piece of wire and tie it right there in the middle where your thumb is holding it. And you're ready to tie it onto your stem. So just take those 2 stems. You're going to go right below that little section of red flowers. I'm going to catch this little leaf off to the side though, so it's nice and secure. Flip it over, tie it in a knot. And now you're ready to twist it on. So I'm going to go right there. You can see it kind of bunched everything together and messed up my bow a little bit, but we're going to fluff it all back out. Go on and twist it on. Now you're ready to move everything around. So I'm going to go on and cut my tails. This pink tail, cut my other 2. All right, and now we're going to just straighten back out this love, move everything around a little bit. Put the knee in the knee. And then bring a little bit of this floral to the middle of the bow. I always like to have it in there so it doesn't look like you just stuck a bow onto it. We'll cut this tail a little shorter so you can read that O. And how adorable is that? Just perfect and super easy for Valentine's Day. If you need something last minute or you just want to add to something you already have on your front door, this is the perfect swag kit for you. Go on shopdeeslouisville.com and grab one now.